where the shadows glow. You carried love through highs and lows, with gentle hands and weary eyes. You built our dreams beneath the sky. Every prayer you softly said still echoes in the hearts you fed. Even when the road was long, you gave our broken souls a song. Oh mother, light of our home, you made our hearts a place to belong. Through every storm, through every night, you held our world with faith and light. No gold could measure what you've done. Your love shines brighter than the sun. Forever we will proudly say our mother is our strength each day.
Your tired feet still walk for us through silent pain without a fuss. A warm embrace, a quiet smile made every heartbeat feel worthwhile.
You taught us kindness, taught us grace, and how to rise when life we face. The love you gave will never fade. In every heart your memory stays.
Heaven knows the tears you hid, the sacrifices no one did. Yet still you stood so brave, so true.